In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your GoHighLevel account connected to Slack, so you can receive timely updates right inside your workspace, keeping your team aligned and your workflows moving. To get started, open GoHighLevel and sign in so you're looking at your main dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to manage integrations. If you have multiple locations or sub-accounts, confirm you're in the one where you want Slack notifications to appear. Next, head to the left sidebar and open Settings, then select Integrations. This is where GoHighLevel centralizes all the apps you can connect. If you don't see integrations right away, scroll down the menu. It's typically near the bottom of the settings list. In the Integrations page, look for the Slack option. When you find it, click Connect. This will open a secure window to start the Slack authorization flow. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the window can appear. Now, sign into your Slack workspace. If you're already signed in, Slack may simply ask you to confirm which workspace you want to use. Pick the workspace where your team collaborates. If you manage several workspaces, double-check that you're selecting the correct one to avoid routing notifications to the wrong place. When Slack presents the permission screen, review what access is being requested, then click Allow. Granting permissions enables GoHighLevel to post notifications to Slack on your behalf. If your organization restricts app permissions, you may need an admin to approve the connection before you can continue. After authorization, you may be prompted to choose a specific Slack channel. Select the channel where you want GoHighLevel notifications to appear. A dedicated notifications channel often works best to keep updates organized. You can change this later if your preferences or team structure evolve. Back in GoHighLevel, click Save to finalize the integration. You should see Slack marked as connected. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the page to confirm the status. From here, any relevant GoHighLevel notifications you've configured will start appearing in the Slack channel you selected. If messages aren't arriving, verify you chose the right workspace and channel, and confirm that your Slack and GoHighLevel permissions are up to date. That's all it takes. You've connected Slack with GoHighLevel, making it easier to centralize communication and keep your team informed in real time. Thanks for watching and great job getting everything set up.